Welcome friends to our channel. Today we delve into a comprehensive comparison of two famed TV brands, LG and Mi. We'll be exploring their features, picture quality, audio performance, and much more to help you make an informed decision. Starting with the design. LG TVs often showcase beautiful designs with thin bezels and stylish stands. On the other hand, Mi TVs are known for their minimalist designs, featuring slim profiles and metallic finishes. When it comes to picture quality, both brands provide excellent displays. LG TVs often use OLED or nanocell technology, offering deep blacks, vibrant colors, and wide viewing angles. Mi TVs, on the other hand, come with LED panels that provide bright images and accurate color fidelity at a lower price point. In terms of smart features, both LG and Mi TVs run on their respective operating systems. LG TVs come with WebOS, offering a simple interface and a wide range of apps and streaming services. Mi TVs are built on Android TV, coming with Xiaomi's favorite interface patch wall, which provides access to numerous apps and content. Now let's talk about audio performance. LG TVs are often known for their deep sound quality, like Dolby Atmos and AI Sound Pro. Mi TVs also provide good sound, but they cannot match the audio experience of LG's premium models. Finally, let's talk about price and value. LG TVs are generally priced higher due to their advanced features and high quality. On the other hand, Mi TVs provide good value for money, offering supportive features at lower prices. In conclusion, both LG and Mi TVs come with their strengths and weaknesses. If you value picture quality and premium features, LG might be the right choice for you. On the contrary, if you value performance over price, Mi TVs could be right for you. In the end, it depends on your preferences and budget. That was our comparison between LG and Mi TVs. We hope this video has been helpful in your decision-making process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.